The Zuru mini brands. And if you come here from the short, that record was Lola Young's Messy, and it had the F word in the back. Okay, if you come from my short, you already know I found this at Costco for $29.99. And I had to grab it because it's probably one of the coolest mini brand sets I've seen. And it says the vinyl player sets really works, and we got 3 of these capsules to open. What's crazy is that this set was pulled from the shelves due to some cuss words. It was later corrected and re-released, so this is the newer version of the set. Okay, first of all, this thing is really cool. This isn't just some tiny piece of plastic that's supposed to look like a record player. It is rechargeable, comes with a USB-C. I could see why the Miniverse community is huge. I know my daughter has the fridge, and even as a display piece for the records, it's pretty awesome. It's a pretty decent size for being a mini brand set. So these packs are the vinyl holder or furniture. So we got this little vinyl holder, which is perfect because we're about to have some records to put in there. We got this little speaker and a tiny pair of headphones. I love that they include these because they're completely unnecessary, but they make the whole setup look so much better. I think this is my favorite part about this set. They didn't just give you the record player and call it a day. You get a whole little setup. You got the player, the vinyl holder, the speaker, the headphones, and then obviously the records. Let's go with the main piece, the vinyl player. Look at the detail on this thing. You got the turntable, the arm, the controls, and the little details around the player. For something this small, they put a lot into it. Here's a closer look at it. Everything is miniature, but it still has a look of a real record player. Obviously, it doesn't have the needle. Let's go ahead and put the record in it. For $29.99 at Costco, you're getting a lot for this set. 3 mystery capsules, the player, the accessories, and a whole bunch of tiny details. But I feel like that's how they get you. Depending on the record you want, you have to buy another capsule. And a lot of these albums, it's not the full album, it's only one song. And the song, it's only 30 seconds long. But as of now, there's only 50 artists that are signed with this. And if your artist isn't in those 50, good luck. And oh yeah, this speaker, it's not a Bluetooth. There's actually a button in the back that you press, and it looks like the subwoofer is bumping. But I really think this is a cool piece. I hope some good albums come out in the future. Let me know if you're gonna get one.